Welcome back to the channel where we decode the future of tech, one headline at a time. Today's story is straight out of a sci-fi corporate thriller. Tesla is suing one of its former engineers over claims that he stole confidential Optimus robot trade secrets to launch his own rival company. Let's break this down. The engineer in question is Yao Zhang. He joined Tesla in early 2024 and was reportedly part of the core software team for Optimus, Tesla's humanoid robot initiative. His job? Working on the AI systems that allow Optimus to perceive its surroundings, plan movement, and make real-time decisions. In other words, the robot's brain. Now here's where things go left. According to the lawsuit filed this week in a California court, Tesla claims that Zhang secretly downloaded sensitive internal files to his personal devices just before he resigned in May 2024. These files reportedly include detailed neural net architecture, simulation code, datasets, and training materials, all critical to the Optimus project. Tesla alleges that not only did Zhang take these secrets, but he also wiped his work laptop clean in an attempt to cover his tracks. After leaving, Zhang allegedly launched a new company called Orion Star USA and began actively recruiting engineers, possibly even from Tesla's own team, to build his own humanoid robots. And yes, Tesla says that Orion Star's vision and structure bear striking similarities to the internal roadmap Zhang had access to at Tesla. This isn't just a case of someone quitting and joining a competitor. If the allegations are true, this could be one of the most serious trade secret breaches Tesla has faced to date, especially in such a high-stakes area. Let's pause for context. Optimus isn't some side project. Elon Musk has said publicly that he believes Tesla's robot division could become more valuable than the car business in the long run. The company has invested massive resources into Optimus, from building proprietary hardware to developing simulation environments and specialized neural networks that allow it to walk, grip, and interact with the world. This isn't just a robot, it's a flagship symbol of Tesla's AI ambitions. Now Tesla is asking the court to block Zhang and Orion Star from using any of the allegedly stolen information, and they want a full forensic review of Zhang's digital trail. Everything from cloud accounts to personal devices. So what happens next? If Zhang is found to have copied trade secrets, he could face serious legal and financial consequences, including damages, court orders, and a total shutdown of his new venture. But if the case reveals weak internal controls at Tesla or gets dismissed, it could open the company up to criticism about how it protects high-value data. Either way, this case raises important questions. In an age of AI arms races and rapid robotics development, how do companies protect innovation without stifling talent mobility? When engineers jump ship, where's the line between what you know and what you took? And let's not forget, the robot wars are coming. Tesla's not the only player. Companies like Figure AI, Boston Dynamics, and Agility Robotics are all sprinting to bring humanoids to market. The first to scale safely and cheaply could dominate industries from manufacturing to elder care. Bottom line, this lawsuit could shape the future not just of Optimus, but of AI talent, startup culture, and how we protect the minds building tomorrow. What do you think? Is Tesla right to go this hard? Or is this a David versus Goliath moment for Orion Star? Drop a comment, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the tech stories shaping our world. Catch you in the next upload.
What's up, everyone? Here's your quick 3-minute breakdown of Apple's biggest AI announcements from WWDC 2025. Apple is finally all in on AI, or as they're calling it, Apple Intelligence. That's right. The company unveiled a brand new system-wide AI layer that works across iPhone, iPad, and Mac. It's designed to help users write better, communicate faster, and manage daily tasks more intelligently, all while keeping your privacy front and center. Let's start with Apple Intelligence itself. This isn't just another assistant. It's a full-on AI framework built into iOS 18, iPadOS 18, and macOS Sequoia. It powers new tools like writing tools that rewrite, proofread, and summarize text across apps like Mail, Notes, and even third-party apps. Think ChatGPT, but native to Apple. Speaking of ChatGPT, yup, Apple is partnering with OpenAI. You'll now be able to ask ChatGPT directly from Siri, and it's seamless. If Siri needs extra help, it'll route your question to ChatGPT with your permission and return a detailed answer. And if you're writing something, you can use ChatGPT to generate images or content right inside your apps. Now let's talk about Chatmoji, a new feature that lets you create custom emojis using AI prompts. Just type a surfing banana with sunglasses, and boom, Apple's AI will generate one. It's weird, it's fun, and it's Apple's answer to the Gen Z meme crowd. Apple also introduced smart notifications that summarize and prioritize incoming messages. So instead of seeing 25 group chat texts, you get a quick digest powered by AI. No more notification overload. There's also Image Playground, a creative AI image generator built right into your device. You can create images in 3 styles: animation, sketch, and illustration. And it's totally on device, so your data stays private. And of course, Apple doubled down on privacy. Most AI processing happens on your device. If it does go to the cloud, it uses Apple's new private cloud compute, where even Apple says it can't access your data. That's a big move compared to other tech giants. Lastly, availability. Apple Intelligence is coming this fall, but here's the catch. You'll need at least an iPhone 15 Pro or M1 iPad or Mac to use it. Older devices won't get the full AI treatment. So in short, Apple's finally playing the AI game, but doing it the Apple way: private, polished, and deeply integrated. The AI race just got a whole lot more interesting. Catch you in the next one.
What's good, YouTube? Today we're diving into a groundbreaking story in the world of AI and quantum tech. Multiverse Computing, a Spanish startup, just raised a massive $215 million Series B round to shake up how artificial intelligence gets built and powered. Their goal? Radically reduce the costs of training and running AI models using quantum-inspired algorithms. Now, Multiverse isn't building full quantum computers. Instead, they've developed a platform called Singularity, a quantum-inspired framework that runs on classical computers but taps into the principles of quantum mechanics. And that's what makes it powerful. It bridges the gap between today's hardware and tomorrow's quantum potential. Right now, AI models, especially huge ones like ChatGPT, cost millions to train and operate. We're talking insane power usage and computing costs. But Multiverse says its platform can optimize workloads, shrink training time, and save energy, potentially slashing AI costs by 20 times or more. This new funding round was led by European growth equity firm Columbus Venture Partners, and it's one of the largest ever in the quantum software space. With this money, Multiverse plans to expand globally, double its team, and further develop its tech for sectors like finance, logistics, cybersecurity, and healthcare. One of their most promising strategies is combining quantum-inspired optimization with AI and digital twin simulations. That could revolutionize how companies plan, forecast, and make real-time decisions. Imagine a hospital optimizing patient flow using quantum-level precision, or a factory predicting supply chain disruptions before they happen. And the company's not just theory. They've already partnered with Siemens, Bosch, and even the European Space Agency. The momentum is real. In a world where AI is exploding, but the costs are spiraling out of control, multiverse computing might be the answer to scaling smarter, faster, and greener. If this works, it could unlock a new era of accessible, affordable, and powerful AI. Not just for big tech, but for startups, governments, and everyday applications. Let me know what you think. Is quantum-inspired computing the bridge between now and full quantum? Or is this just another hyped trend? Smash that like if you're into the future of tech. And don't forget to subscribe for more breakthroughs dropping every week. Peace. What's good, YouTube? Today we're diving into how Warp, the freight tech startup, is stepping into the future by bringing robots into their warehouse operations. This isn't sci-fi. It's real-time automation aimed at shaking up the entire logistics industry. Warp just announced it's deploying autonomous mobile robots across its network of cross-docking warehouses. Think of these bots as the silent workers, wheeling around packages, streamlining loading and unloading, and reducing human error at every touchpoint. Why does this matter? Because logistics has always been a human-heavy game. Truck drivers, warehouse crews, dispatchers, all coordinating in real time under major pressure. Warp's robotic rollout is designed to take the edge off that chaos by handling routine tasks with precision and speed. The bots are being integrated through a partnership with Ox, a company specializing in wearable tech and AI-powered warehouse automation. Together, they've created a system where warehouse workers wear augmented reality headsets that guide them in real time, while the robots handle the grunt work like hauling freight, sorting packages, and prepping outbound orders. This allows Warp to offer same-day transfers with almost no manual coordination. The robots communicate directly with Warp's proprietary software, which already connects shippers, carriers, and warehouse hubs through a central digital brain. And here's the kicker. The more warehouses they automate, the faster they can scale without needing massive staff increases. That's a game changer in an industry struggling with labor shortages and rising operating costs. Warp's CEO, Daniel Sokolovsky, says the long-term goal is to make shipping as efficient and programmable as code. The company isn't just adding automation for convenience, it's building an infrastructure where every node in the supply chain is optimized by data, robotics, and AI. If Warp pulls this off, they could rival giants like Amazon Logistics, not by owning every truck or warehouse, but by making smarter use of existing networks. In short, they're building the Uber of freight, with robots handling the warehouse hustle. So next time you get a package quickly, don't be surprised if a robot helped move it along. Smash that like button if you love future tech logistics, and hit subscribe for more breakdowns like this. Peace.